Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. This channel is meant for, yes, for the students, for the professors, for the doctors, for the teachers, for the patients, and also for the common man. But this particular video is regarding fourth year BMS, final professional course of BMS, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery, Lucknow question paper 2019. I always insist to the students, if you want to get a confidence for your examination and for your practice, two things are very important. Number one, syllabus, and number two, question papers. And this for every subject from first year, second year, third year, fourth year, Professor Dr. Deshpande's Ayurveda Academy, you will see all the subjects and also the different videos regarding yoga and also foreign activities. Okay, because personally, I have visited for Ayurveda propagation to the European countries like America, Switzerland, Germany, Italy, and Spain. 20 years from 1994 to 2014. I have visited all these countries for the Ayurveda propagation by as an invited Ayurvedic physician or the lifestyle counselor. Okay, but these particular things are also important for your examination purpose. This is the Lucknow University question papers presented by, yes, myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD, Doctor of Medicine in Kai Chikitsa subject, that is Ayurvedic medicine, and also MD in Ayurvedic physiology, yes, that is Kriya Shari. If anybody wants paid online consultation, paid online counseling for the students, paid online private tuitions, then definitely in spite of the phone, you can WhatsApp me on 922681060. And don't forget to check the playlist menu, that is BAMS question papers. Okay. So today's topic about the question paper is research methodology and medical statistics. This is a very important subject for the fourth year BMS. This subject has been introduced recently since last 3, 4, 5 years. Why? Because when you are doing post-graduation in Ayurveda, then you must aware what is exactly the research, what is the difference in invention and the discovery. I have personally edited and a very important book is available in the market, Research Methodology and Medical Statistics by Manakarnika Publication, Pune. Please write down. Manakarnika Publication, Pune has published my book. That means myself and Professor Ranade, Subhash Ranade, S.B. Ranade are the editors of this book, Research Methodology. Please search on the internet and you will get the copy at your doorstep. Okay. So today's topic is research methodology and what that medical statistics. Statistics is very important. You have to collect the data from the society and that data should be analyzed and then it should be presented in a different tabular form or the graphical representations. One thing I would like to insist that all my colleagues, all the Ayurveda Vaidyas, they are kindly requested by holding my hand, please keep your data, valuable data of your dispensary regarding the different treatments to the different diseases and different patients, because that data can be analyzed by the central government in due course of time and they will get a different, very interesting outcomes of your analysis. You will find that, oh my God, Arogyavardhan is so nicely popular in the Vaidya community and it is maximally used for the liver problems, etc., etc. So there are interesting things will come up when you will analyze the data and you must understand the process of research methodology. That's why we will open and see what that particular Lucknow University has asked about Anusandhana Paddhati, Hindi translation. Anusandhana Paddhati evam Chikitsiya Sankhiki, medical statistics. Attempt all questions. First of 10 marks, maximum marks only 50 marks. But this has very important subject. All the marks are less, but research methodology subject is very useful if you are interested to do post-graduation in Ayurveda. Nearly in all subjects, MD or MS are available. Okay. Discuss the Anusandhan in Ayurveda. My dear friends, here also I would like to suggest one thing. I have nearly 8 to 9 audio audios, rather I can say, in my playlist you search research methodology. and you will get these different interesting audios of Professor Deshpande explaining the subject research methodology. And also there are 5 6 audios regarding the medical statistics. So you please download those audios, and while even driving a car or driving a scooter, you can just put the earphone if it is permissible by RTO or the government. But otherwise, in your leisure time, you can just hear those particular audios, and you will be definitely benefited in your exam when you face research methodology subject or examination. Okay, so my audios are available on Ayurveda Academy channel. Don't forget it. Discuss the Anusandhan in Ayurveda with its chronology, that is historical background and need of research in Ayurveda. Many people say that Ayurveda is already time tested, so no need of research. But this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, we believe on the Aptavakya, authentic statements by Charaka, Sushruta, Ashtanga, but etc. But still, there is a chance of revalidation. Write down this word. Revalidation of the different formulae, different Siddhanta exploitation can be done by the Ayurvedic research method. So that research is also essential for Ayurveda community as well. For example, in the corona pandemic, you can find out which type of the Prakriti is more prone for this getting infection of the lungs, whether it's a Kapha Prakriti predominant people or Vata predominant people or Pitta predominant people. Simple to make this type of the data collection by survey. Survey is one of the method for research. But most of the research is based on clinical research. Some drug is given to some patients and then try to find out the results. Okay. Next, second question. Discuss the importance of data mining. I have the superb lecture, best lecture, easy to understand lecture on data mining. How you will find? Go to the Google, type data mining audio or data mining video in Ayurveda Academy by Professor Dr. R. Deshpande, and you will find that data mining. Or you can directly go to my Ayurveda Academy channel and check the playlist of research, and then you will find the data mining. Then research data portals in Ayurvedic research. Internet, there are a lot of information is available of different Ayurvedic research papers. Okay, write short notes on the following conditions, each having the 5 marks. Okay, write short note on the presentation of data, how data should be presented. Next, difference between sample and the population. What is the difference in these two words, sample and population? The locality, we take some people for our trials. That is, sample size is very important when you talk about research methodology. Sample size. Okay, selection of the topic is very interesting. Selection of topic can be based by your curious nature, by the experiences of some senior professors. They can give you some clue to select your topic. Okay, but for that matter, you have to go for do the review of the literature, review of the previous researches. Okay, variable. What is the word variable in statistics? Then bioinformatics. This branch is very popular nowadays, bioinformatics. So my dear friends, write the very short notes. Next, qualitative research. There are two types of research, qualitative and quantitative. What is median? Statistics word. Definition of hypothesis. गृहीतक. कुछ बातें हम समझ लेते हैं कि, for example, I will taken into granted that Khadirati Vati is useful for the Vataja caste. This is my hypothesis. It may be correct or it may not be correct. That particular thing is called as H0 and H1 hypothesis. Null hypothesis and positive hypothesis. H0, H means hypothesis. H0, H1. Okay. Then percentile and percent. What is it? Percentile and percent. And PubMed. This is particular portal. There are a lot of research material is available on this PubMed. But I request last that don't forget to buy my edited book, Research Methodology and Medical Statistics. Yes, published by, write down, Mana Karnika Publication, Pune. So I request all of you to check that book, and you will definitely get answers of all these questions in that particular book. So lastly, I request, as you know, that all these videos are interesting of Professor Deshpande on Ayurveda Academy. So like this video, like this thumb. So great. We like it. I like it. Do it more. Do it more. So this is my energy boosting feedbacks. Okay. Then share in your all your WhatsApp groups, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I wish you all the best. Take care and bye bye. All the best for your examination, and all the best for your practice as well. Thank you very much.